Subscribe to my channel and click the bell button for more videos.
Sooner 1997 Enterprises Inc. presents Bob the Builder fights Farmer Pickle / causes a car crash / grounded. And was inspired by Python the Plotagonist and Gamer 2020.
Hey Bob the Builder, we are going to Lowe's Home Improvement to buy a new refrigerator, because our old one stopped working, so I want you to be on your best behavior. Because if you don't behave, then you are grounded, understand? Yes, Farmer Pickle, I understand. Yes! That's what I like to hear. Now let's get in the car.
When Bob the Builder and Farmer Pickle left the house.
Hey Farmer Pickle. What is it, Bob the Builder? Can I listen to music? Not right now, Bob the Builder. I'm listening to Chilwa Slam. You can listen to music when my music is done. Oh, come on, please. Bob the Builder, I said no. Now be patient. No! I want to listen to music right now. Bob the Builder, I said you can listen to music when my music is finished. Now be patient. If you don't let me listen to music, then I will fight you. Bob the Builder, I said be patient. Now let my music finish. Fine, you ask for it. Ouch! Bob the Builder, stop it. I'm trying to drive. Not until you let me listen to music. Stop it, Bob the Builder. You are going to make me. Oh my god! Bob the Builder, look what you made me do. You just made me crash the car. Do you have any idea how much trouble you are in? I'm sorry, Farmer Pickle. I wanted to listen to music, but you wouldn't let me. I don't care. You should have waited until my music was finished, but you wouldn't listen to me. And for this, you are grounded, 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 grounded for 75 weeks. Let's go home right now, and when we get home, you will straight to your room. No 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 no.
When Bob the Builder and Farmer Pickle got home.
Now go to your room right now, because you are grounded, 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 grounded for 75 weeks. Wow.